£88 50 pence divided by 6. So probably the first step that you want to do is reformat the question into a way where you can do some working. So here we go. We put this division frame there, and we're going to put this amount on the inside. So my advice would be, if you're not very good at this, is to put the unit of measurement in and then put the amount and then that number out here. And the reason for that is so that when you start, you'll remember that we're talking pounds, so you won't forget your unit of measurement. So put the pound sign straight up, and then you can start the division process. So the first question is, how many 6's go into 8? And the answer is 1. And how many are left over? 2. So the next question is, how many 6's go into 28? That is 4. And how many left over? 4. So now we're up to the decimal point, so we might as well put the decimal point in our answer. And then the next question is, how many 6's go into 45? And that is 7. And how many left over? 3. How many 6's go into 30? That is 5. And luckily, there are no remainders, so we're finished. And it's that easy.